Hey YouTube,
That's something like that.
I'm finna sit on the
Okay,
phone.
that is
Just
great.
listen to her. Oh, this is my MySpace, Twitter, and down link down here.
A
Add me,
dinosaur.
whatever. Anyway, um, y'all know I hit you up, but anyway, uh, I've been listening to her talk to her brothers for the past long time. Um,
Oompa.
just listen,
Oompa. Well, hey, nigga, whenever that,
saying dumb stuff.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory came out, and I had no life, nigga, I was random dancing and shit like a dumbass, sing along songs and shit. I was really doing that shit as me, not me and Maya. I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And like, we would have that shit on repeat until we got the dance down. Like on Fat Albert, when they did that, what was the song? Hold on, I got it. Yeah, I go by thing when I hold my thing. When I hold my thing. And they had that little dance. Boy, I was learning that shit. I was all over it.
Mm-mm. This is my Valentine's Day gift from my mom last year.
Nah.
You see?
Oh, bro. Saying that,
Look, there it is.
Saying
It's just a heart. Anyway,
so, dig them hoes. ARMP, I put a T. What is that? The smell dog, that's me. I don't take shots and I don't brush my teeth. All I do is dig hoes, eat, and sleep. Digging up hoes, digging. It sounds like they're saying hoes instead of home.
no, you was saying hoes.
I was saying what?
Hoes.
I was saying hoes.
I know. You should have
Hoes.
been. No, you said hoes.
Hoes.
Mhm.
Hoes.
I bet.
Hoes. Have you heard that song Push That Hole Back by Pleasure P and Ron C?
No, and I hope I never do.
OG Ron C. She said no, she hopes she never does.
Oh, that was your brother. My fault. Oops, didn't mean to be rude.
She said she didn't mean to be rude. She thought I was asking the question. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus.
That's what I said.
Girl,
What?
girl,
What, that song?
girl.
For real?
No.
Say hi to everybody.
Hello.
YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Y'all know how long it took for me to say, make her say that.
Hey, why do they call it a Slurpee? That's kind of. Why can't you call it an iced beverage or something like that? You know what I'm saying? A Slurpee sounds kind of
Cause,
perverted. Like, what are you drinking? I'm drinking a Slurpee. Oh, that's kind of weird.
anyway, y'all know how long it took
I'm
for
just
me
sucking on the Slurpee right
to
now.
get her to say hi to y'all? Rude.
Oh, Slurp action. Oh no, so
She's
what's
a
for dinner?
freaking weirdo.
Her pizza feeder. Wings. Oh my Jesus. Bad. No!
You're her daddy, G. He go hard.
I'll tell you!
They just violent.
Digging up some hoes, digging.
Oh, y'all see her picture? I'm about to show them your picture.
What?
I'm about to show your picture.
What,
I'm showing YouTube your picture, nigga.
what picture?
Yours.
What picture?
I don't know.
Hmm. Show me a picture of Tiny.
No. Don't nobody want to see Tiny. You crazy.
Tiny's a beast.
I bet you
Coco
thinking.
killer.
Tiny is this dog, this picture this dog she found. And he was
Boy, you
real
talking about
big.
that
He had a
Tiny.
whole bunch of muscles. And his legs was like this little.
We ain't talking about her. We talking
It's
about the dog.
ridiculous. You know a person named Tiny?
Tiny and Toya. You talking about Tiny and Toya?
Oh, gross. Whatever. Don't nobody pay attention to them.
Like, why are you breathing so hard?
Who?
Stop looking at me like that. Oh my dude, I hate when people stare at me. And they're still staring at me. And breathing hard. It feels like I'm in a Jason movie.
Shorty. Shorty. Hold on, y'all. Bye, Shorty. Y'all, she's crazy. But I love her. Shout out to Blaylock. Should I do shout outs? Oh no. I might forget somebody. And they might have attitude. I'll do those next. I'll do them in a minute. Good night. Hello? I thought I hung the phone up. She's still here talking. I swear I hung this phone up. Y'all, I tried to hang up on you. It didn't work. Yeah. I thought I hung up. And then I was talking to YouTube. And then I heard you laughing. And I swear I hung up the phone. I know, but it didn't work, so it don't matter. No, it doesn't. You telling me, or you not telling me what you want for Valentine's Day matters.
How?
Cause
Actually, it doesn't. Because it's not going to get here.
you don't know that.
Yes, I do.
How you know?
Because I know.
How you know?
Because I know.
Well, whatever you ain't, whatever. Shorty, I'm mad. I can't
Bruh.
even think.
Bruh.
No,
So you're lying.
no, I was joking.
Oh. So we're joking now.
We been joking, Shorty.
Oh, alright.
Here's the ultimate joke right here.
Oh. I always take a bit. And of course I can.
Whoa, watch that mouth.
You know Miguel? You know
Anyway,
Miguel? Miguel, I can't really remember.
okay, I'm getting my tattoo.
What's it gonna say?
It's gonna Blaylock.
Not at all.
It's gonna be on my lip. I swear. It's gonna be on the inside. Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
She don't believe me, y'all.
Huh?
She don't believe me, and I'm gonna get it, make a video, and she gonna feel stupid.
I'm not gonna feel stupid.
Yes, you will.
Never that. That's boy.
And that's boy.
Not at all.
All right, this is reaching 9 minutes, and I don't know why.
Cause we chilling.
You wanna chill and talk to him?
Yo, Mike One, we're on the bebop. Not again, cause the mom Bob Bart's in here again.
Get off, mom.
I would say frisbee this time. Like I was saying, no. Like I was saying, no.
All right, shorty, we finna end this video because it's like 9 minutes and some seconds.
Okay, bye.
Bye, who?
Bye. People who are watching.
Who?
People who are watching.
People who are watching.
Yeah.
All right, people who are watching. She says bye. See ya.